Here we go, guys. This is the Isteady M7 gimbal. Just the unboxing from the package. Here it goes. Beautiful gimbal. Flip it around. Check that baby out. Comes with your instructions right there. And your beautiful little tripod right here. Alright. Here's the gimbal itself. Gimbal itself, beautiful. Little built-in screen right there. And then this is your AI camera. This follows you pretty much everywhere you go. You can lock it. You can stop it from tracking you. You can track it as well. Connect it like this. Make sure it's secured. It's gonna look like this when you get done. Boom, there you go.